In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add music to Instagram story. If you are new to this channel, stick around, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos such like that. Well, it's quite easy to add any music to your story. Firstly, let's capture a story to add in the music. Tap on the plus icon down below, tap on the story section, and you can upload your previous story or you can take a story right away. For now, I've just captured a black screen. Now all you need to do is tap on the stickers icon on the top, and after you do that, you'll see an option of music right here. But if you don't, you can always search it in the search bar, search for music, and the music sticker will appear. Now after you tap that, you can see all of the music that is available and is free to use on Instagram. You can also browse it on different genres. So now all you need to do is tap on the music that you want to add, and the music will be added to your story. Now you can simply adjust the music from where you want to start and where you want to end. If you tap on this 15, you can adjust the duration of the seconds. So if you only want it for 10 seconds, you can do that and tap on done. You can also tap this camera icon right here and then change the interface of the music, and after you're done, you can tap on the done option on the top. And there you go. Now the music has been added to your Instagram story. Now you can tap on your story to add it to your story on Instagram. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.